Most Waterpik cordless water flossers use simple LED lights to show charging status. Knowing what each light means helps you avoid unexpected power loss. A solid red light usually means the unit is actively charging. When the light turns solid green, the battery is fully charged and ready to use. On some models, a flashing red light signals a low battery or a charging issue that needs attention. Certain newer models may use a blinking green light while charging. If there's no light at all, it could mean the device is already fully charged or that there's a connection problem. If your LED doesn't turn on during charging, first check alignment. Make sure the flosser is seated correctly on the base. Wipe the charging contacts with a dry cloth to remove moisture or buildup. Also confirm the outlet is working. If the red light keeps flashing after hours of charging, the battery may be overheating or nearing the end of its lifespan. Charging works best at normal room temperature. Keeping the contacts clean and charging in a stable environment will help extend battery life and maintain reliable performance.